Have you ever tried to install the Shizuku app, but then got a message saying, "This app isn't available for your device," or "This app is only available for older versions"? Well, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Shizuku on Android 15 and Android 16, and also how to set it up and run it properly before we start. Let me explain something important. The Shizuku app was last updated on the Google Play Store on March 10, 2024. At that time, Android 16 didn't even exist yet. So it makes sense if you're having issues installing it directly from the Play Store, especially if you're using Android 16. So, how do we fix this? Simple. We can install Shizuku directly from its official GitHub page. First, open Google Chrome, type GitHub Shizuku in the search bar, and open the official website. Now, scroll down the page until you find all the release versions of Shizuku. Click Show All Versions and find the latest one, which is version 13.6.0. This version already supports Android 16. Next, scroll down and click the download link, then tap Download Anyway. When prompted, choose Package Installer, then tap Always. Go to Settings, allow installation from this source, and then tap Install. Once it's done, congratulations, you've successfully installed Shizuku. Now, let's see how to run it. First, open Notification option and make sure notifications for Shizuku are enabled. Then go back and turn on developer mode. Here's how: open Settings, go to About Phone, then tap Software Information. Tap the build number 7 times until you see a message that says Developer Mode is activated. Once that's done, search for Developer Options in the Settings menu. Open it and turn on Wireless Debugging. Now open Wireless Debugging and select Pair Device with pairing code. Then enter the pairing code shown in your notification bar. Tap Send and open the Shizuku app again. Finally, tap Start. And that's it. Shizuku is now fully running on your Android 15 or Android 16 device.